Hey up everyone, right, we're on site, but we were meant to be moving on to another drop, and this drop is a special drop, and what it is, it's right on the boundary and there's a disgruntled neighbour. So we had blocks dropped on there the other day. We found out that there was a disgruntled neighbour, so we didn't really want to be going on it. So it's Monday morning now, and this is what this disgruntled neighbour has left for us on the drop. Have a look at this, people. This is what you come into. Dead birds, nestings, wings. Check this out. And he's chucked it all over the materials. Dead wings, the wings off birds. This is absolutely disgusting, and this seems to be the tactic. This is the tactic that the man is taking to stop people working on this plot. Let us know in the comments. Would you be working on that plot? I know I sure aren't. That is absolutely crazy. Until the next time, keep it nice and easy. Ding ding. You got any words for the beard man?
I was just about to say I was getting order myself a nice dirty prostitute, but I can't. I ain't one of them dirty ones.
Yeah. Are you working on that drop over there or not?
Drop that.
The beard drop?
With the beards?
Yeah, the beard man.
Mate, I'll love it there. Yeah. I've asked him to chuck more over. I don't know what these lads are going to
eat. So you're glad he's done it because you're starving?
Cut me. Look, I'm the sort of guy that shares my food.
Or your beards.
Or my beards. You know what you want with women, mate, but
oh man, fantastic! What a meal! What a meal! He'll come over and say, "Well, fantastic! What a meal that is!"
I'll go over there and complain that he hasn't chucked anything over. I've been working out all day, nothing over here.
Oh,
you better sort it out.
That's it. Well, I'm glad that it's only upsetting me and no one else.
And me. I don't think I do that.
No. Right, I better get back to doing some Santa.